Hello everyone, it's me again. In this video I'm going to show you the Ventray 808 masticating juicer. I'm going to show you how to assemble it and disassemble it, and yeah, let's jump right into it. So obviously it's off, it's not plugged in right now, but this is it, fully assembled. That's what it looks like. Okay, so you can notice these white dots. Everything kind of corresponds and lines up with the white dots, and then you can see the directional arrows there. So when you're done juicing and you need to clean it, the very first thing you need to do is you need to twist this top off, just like that. And that comes down like that, and then the auger comes right out. Now the thing that I used to do is I used to just take this whole like cup off and then just take it and put it in the sink, but I'm just going to show you piece by piece just so you can kind of get an idea. Now the thing you want to keep in mind is that you'll probably want to take the whole cup off, just because you know, you'll probably have some excess fruits and vegetables you know, that are grinded down and left in the strainer. So this is the strainer here itself. Okay, right there. So if you note this little hole right there, that's where all the pulp and the juice and everything, that's what it kind of feeds through, and then it kind of leads into the pulp feeder right there. If you can see right there, I'll just pull this guy out. This is the turning, geez, I forget what it's called, but this basically kind of gathers up all your juice, and you can notice this part right there. Sorry, I'm holding my phone. This part right here kind of just swooshes the juice around to kind of feed it to the actual juice spout. So yeah, when I was talking about the actual feeder part right here for the pulp, it goes through right down there and it just starts to kind of feed out. So that's the little hole I was referring to right down there. Now the one thing to keep in mind, especially when you're doing celery, you really want to go slow, especially using masticating juicers. You really want to go slow when you're feeding all the fruits and veggies into your juicer. That'll cause you know, no issues. If you go fast, you're gonna have a whole whack of problems, mainly with this part right here. That hole there, it'll get clogged up and you won't see any pulp coming out of your feeder. It's happened to me a couple times until you know, I realized, and I read the manual over again. It says you have to go slow. There's a reason why you need to go slow. So so then you can see the other arrows, directional arrows there, that just comes right out. So this part here is the actual pulp insert. When you have this out like that, you'll have lots of pulp into your juice. When you have it pressed in like that, you won't have much. And that's another thing as well. When you're doing your juicing, you want to take your time as well, just because if you go too fast, you can have lots of pulp in your juice, and you're going to spend more time trying to, you know, fish out the pulp with a strainer, and then, you know, leading to more oxidization. So in my last video, I said I never use this spout here to kind of trap the juice in here. Now I kind of understand why everyone uses it. It's maybe to, this is what I think, but it's mainly for the juice to kind of sit here in the reservoir, so it doesn't lead to oxidization. So if you're taking, you know, 10 minutes to kind of grind up your juice and everything, you know, that would lead to oxidization. So you want to, you know, keep all the nutrients intact, so to speak, for as long as possible. So yeah, so that's it there, guys. It's really simple. It's just quick couple pieces here. So I'm gonna show you how to put it back together now. So clearly, like you see, lines up. Not sure what that's called. I'm gonna figure that out though. And then you can see on the actual strainer itself here, there is a white dot as well. That kind of just shows you how to line it up. It's very, very simple. This Ventray is such a great product. Very happy with the purchase. Glad I bought it. And then the auger just goes in. And all you have to do is kind of spin it. And you can hear it. It's locked into place. Then you got the case over top. Again, with the white dot. Put it on. Turn it. And you're ready for business. That's it, guys. Alright, well, signing off now. This was just a quick tutorial on how to do that. If you guys like my video, please like and subscribe. That would be amazing if you will. And yeah, keep looking out for more videos by me. If you guys have any requests or anything, let me know. I haven't tried nut milk yet. I know you're able to make nut milk with this machine here. Maybe that's what I'll do next. That's what my next video will be. Alright guys, thank you so much.